Why would you want to move to the red state of Texas? Hey, it's official. Texas is still red. The Lone Star State has plenty of jobs, wonderful schools, and great communities to call home. From Dallas-Fort Worth to Wimberley, Texas, you can find your fit in the red state of Texas. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 reasons many people are moving to the red state of Texas. Hi, my name is Dana Pollard and I've lived in Texas since I was 4 years old, and I've sold real estate for more than 12 years now. In our team, we help you to narrow down where to live in this vast state of Texas. So if you're thinking about moving to Texas, click on the Dream Home questionnaire link below and let us know what you're looking for in a community, in a home, and we can help you narrow down where to live. Here are 5 reasons to get to the Lone Star State as fast as you can. Number 1, no state income tax. No state income tax, that means more money in your pocket. Our state leaders are budget hawks and plan well for growth and contingency plans. Many companies are relocating to Texas because of the favorable tax climate. We have plenty of undeveloped areas for businesses to call home. And if you want to get a real good comparison of state income tax versus property taxes, I have a video on this. Click on that link. Number 2, jobs, and more jobs in Texas. Texas is hiring. Drive around and you can't miss the help wanted signs. According to the Texas Workforce Commission, prior to the COVID shutdown, our state had positive monthly job growth for 31 consecutive periods. 42,900 jobs added in February of 2020 alone. Economists say 1.7 million jobs will be created in Texas by 2028, and I would say maybe even more than that. And you probably have heard Tesla founder Elon Musk revealed his plans to build a huge plant near Austin that will employ 5,000 people. In fact, 52 Fortune 500 companies call Texas home. Number 3, lots of natural resources. We have abundant natural resources with adequate water and lots of available land ripe for thoughtful development.
Fun fact, did you know that the Lone Star State is on its own power grid? Yes, what happened is in World War II, the government wanted to be self-sustaining for creating war supplies, and so Texas is on its own power grid, which that's why we don't have as many blackouts here.
Blackouts in Texas? Well, they're extremely rare, at least the kind you know of. You are more likely to lose power just briefly during our thunderstorms. Filling up the tank is cheaper here. A gallon of gas costs about $1.50, sometimes less with fuel points. Currently, it's about $1 more in many areas of California. Number 4, affordable housing, of course. The median home price in Texas is about $220,000, and in California, that number is nearly triple, $605,000. Texas is growing. Between 2010 and 2016, Dallas and Houston combined created at least twice as many housing units per year as Los Angeles and the Bay Area. And number 5, the best of all, is the Texas lifestyle. The pace of daily living in Texas can be more relaxed with a focus on family time, social gatherings, and hobbies. Drive through any small town or big city and you can find many places of worship. Sundays are time for families and a day to relax. Here we say hi to strangers, we open doors for one another and let people actually go ahead of us in line when the situation arises, believe it or not. Neighbors will welcome you to the community. Heck, they may even show up with freshly baked cookies or an apple pie. I'm not joking about this. Here, we value hard work, high ideals, and traditions. Speaking of traditions, you should come to a Texas high school football game where you're gonna see flags flying high and us standing, proudly singing the national anthem. So Dana, tell me the next step. Well, hey, let's meet on Zoom. Whether you are a year out or even need to move this month, the next step is to fill out the Dream Home Questionnaire in the link below. In the Dream Home Questionnaire, you will paint a picture for me of what you want in a dream home and in a community. And after you share your favorite snack, you will click the submit button and an email will be sent to you with a link to book a consultation call with me via Zoom. We will get to meet online and you can ask me anything you want about Texas. Then we will narrow down some great areas for you, and when you're ready, I have a team to help you find the perfect home for your family. So go ahead, don't be shy. The link is below in the description. And while you're at it, follow me on Instagram and you can get to know me a little more in a more personal way. I look forward to meeting you.